One of the most influential Indians of the recent times, Ratan Tata is one of the most celebrated names in the Indian business fraternity. Known for his strong business ethics, philanthropy and a vision for a better and stronger India, Ratan Tata served as the chairman of the Tata Group for 21 long years. He successfully increased the company's revenues and profits multifold during his chairmanship. His words and Ratan Tata quotes inspire Indians who want to build businesses as well as those who strive for success in their lives. We bring you the best Ratan Tata quotes about life, business, success and more. I don't believe in taking right decisions. I take decisions and then make them right. Powers and wealth are not two of my main stakes. I have always been very confident and very upbeat about the future potential of India. I think it is a great country with great potential. Ups and downs are very important to keep us going because a straight line even in an ECG means we are not alive. If a founder has passion and innovation, he needs to be supported. I am more intuitive than a numbers person, and I recognize that not all investments are going to be positive. Some may fail, and some may have problems for other reasons. That is life. People still believe what they read is necessarily the truth. Flying, I continue to be involved with it. I love flying, and I hope to keep doing it so long as I can pass my medicals and stay proficient. Take the stones people throw at you, and use them to build a monument. The day I am not able to fly will be a sad day for me. Deal with crisis in such a way that you can hold your head high and sleep well at night. If it stands the test of public scrutiny, do it. If it doesn't stand the test of public scrutiny, then don't do it. I think there are many honest businessmen. None can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but its own mindset can. I would say that one of the things I wish I could do differently would be to be more outgoing. I am interested in what I earn, I am interested in my growth. Business need to go beyond the interest of their companies to the communities they serve. As you grow older, everybody becomes less inflexible and a little more accommodating. A founder who is in for the short run, or has no passion for the sector he is in, doesn't give me a great deal of comfort. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. If we dispense with some of our self-made boundaries, India can really take its place in the world as an economic power. It hasn't happened because we, sadly, don't look at ourselves as Indians but as Punjabis or Parsis, unlike the Americans. Don't make such boundaries. I came seriously close to getting married 4 times, and each time I backed off in fear or for one reason or another. Each occasion was different, but in hindsight when I look at the people involved, it wasn't a bad thing what I did. I think it may have been more complex had the marriage taken place. If there are challenges thrown across, then some interesting, innovative solutions are found. Without challenges, the tendency is to go on the same way. There are many things that, if I have to relive, maybe I will do it another way. But I would not like to look back and think what I have not been able to. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.